What if your next smartphone could replace your camera, tablet, and even parts of your laptop? In 2026, flagship phones are pushing boundaries with AI, pro-level cameras, and futuristic designs. From ultra-premium slabs to foldable powerhouses, these devices aren't just upgrades, they're redefining what a smartphone can truly do. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra continues Samsung's dominance in the flagship smartphone space, delivering a powerful combination of performance, camera innovation, and premium design. Built with a refined titanium frame and a large, ultra-bright AMOLED display, it offers an immersive viewing experience that's perfect for media, gaming, and productivity. One of the biggest highlights is its advanced camera system. Samsung has pushed computational photography even further, with improved zoom capabilities, enhanced low-light performance, and sharper image processing. Whether you're capturing distant subjects or shooting at night, the S26 Ultra delivers consistent, high-quality results that rival professional cameras. Performance is another strong point, powered by the latest flagship chipset and paired with generous RAM and storage options. Multitasking feels effortless, and demanding apps or games run smoothly without lag. The integrated S Pen adds extra versatility, allowing users to take notes, sketch, and navigate with precision. Battery life is reliable, lasting a full day even with heavy use, and fast charging ensures minimal downtime. Samsung's software experience, combined with long-term update support, makes it a dependable choice for the future. Overall, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is built for users who want everything in one device: top-tier performance, exceptional cameras, and premium features. It's a true all-rounder that continues to set the standard for flagship smartphones. Number 4. Google Pixel 10 Pro or Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. The Google Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL stand out as some of the smartest smartphones available, focusing heavily on AI-driven features and camera excellence. With Google's latest Tensor chipset, these devices prioritize real-world usability, delivering smooth performance alongside advanced machine learning capabilities. The camera system remains the defining feature. Google's computational photography leads the industry, offering stunning dynamic range, natural colors, and excellent low-light performance. Features like AI-enhanced editing, real-time scene optimization, and improved video stabilization make it a favorite for content creators and casual users alike. The Pixel 10 Pro series features a clean and minimal design, paired with a bright and responsive OLED display. The Pro XL offers a larger screen and battery, making it ideal for users who prefer a bigger device for media consumption or productivity tasks. Software is where Pixel devices truly shine. Running the latest version of Android with exclusive features, users get a smooth, bloat-free experience along with timely updates directly from Google. AI tools such as voice typing, smart replies, and advanced assistant features enhance everyday usability. Battery life is dependable, with adaptive battery technology optimizing usage based on habits. Fast charging and wireless charging add convenience. For users who value intelligent features, exceptional cameras, and a clean software experience, the Pixel 10 Pro lineup delivers one of the most refined Android experiences available today. Number 3. Oppo Find X9 Ultra. The Oppo Find X9 Ultra is a premium flagship designed to push the boundaries of smartphone photography and design. With its sleek build and curved display, it immediately stands out as a device crafted for users who appreciate both aesthetics and performance. Photography is the core focus of this device. Oppo has partnered with advanced imaging technology to deliver a powerful multi-lens system capable of capturing stunning detail, vibrant colors, and impressive dynamic range. The zoom capabilities are particularly strong, allowing users to capture distant subjects without significant loss in quality. Low-light photography is also a major strength, producing clear and balanced images even in challenging conditions. The display is another highlight, featuring a high refresh rate and excellent brightness levels for smooth scrolling and vivid visuals. Whether you're watching videos or playing games, the experience feels fluid and immersive. Performance is driven by a flagship processor, ensuring fast and responsive operation across all tasks. From multitasking to heavy gaming, the Find X9 Ultra handles everything with ease. The software experience is polished, offering customization options and useful features without feeling overwhelming. Battery life is solid, supported by ultra-fast charging technology that minimizes downtime. This makes it ideal for users who are always on the go and need quick top-ups throughout the day. Overall, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra is a strong contender in the flagship market. especially for users who prioritize camera performance and premium design in a smartphone. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 takes the top spot as one of the most innovative smartphones available, combining the functionality of a phone and a tablet into a single device. Its foldable design has been refined over generations, offering improved durability, a slimmer profile, and a more seamless folding experience. The main display is large, immersive, and perfect for multitasking, productivity, and entertainment. Users can run multiple apps side by side, making it ideal for work or content consumption. The cover screen is also more practical than ever, allowing for comfortable one-handed use when the device is folded. Performance is flagship level, with a powerful processor and ample RAM ensuring smooth operation across all tasks. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the Z Fold 7 delivers a fast and responsive experience. The camera system is versatile, offering high-quality photos and videos across different scenarios. While it may not lead the market in photography, it still delivers reliable and consistent results for everyday use. Battery life is optimized for the foldable form factor, providing enough power to last through a busy day. Fast charging and wireless charging add convenience. What truly sets the Galaxy Z Fold 7 apart is its productivity potential. It's not just a smartphone, it's a portable workstation. For users who want cutting-edge innovation and unmatched versatility, this device represents the future of mobile technology. Number 1. Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra represents Huawei's continued innovation in smartphone technology, particularly in the camera department. Known for pushing imaging boundaries, this device delivers one of the most advanced camera systems available, making it a top choice for photography enthusiasts. The camera setup excels in capturing detail, color accuracy, and dynamic range. Huawei's image processing technology ensures that photos look sharp and natural, even in difficult lighting conditions. The zoom capabilities are among the best, allowing users to get closer to subjects without compromising quality. Design-wise, the Pura 80 Ultra features a premium build with a sleek and modern aesthetic. The display is bright, vibrant, and smooth, offering an enjoyable experience for media consumption and everyday use. Performance remains strong thanks to Huawei's optimized hardware and software integration. The device handles multitasking and demanding applications efficiently, providing a smooth user experience. While the software ecosystem differs from traditional Android setups, Huawei has built a capable platform with its own app services and features. Battery life is another strong point, easily lasting a full day with typical use. Fast charging ensures that users can quickly power up when needed, adding to the device's convenience. For users who prioritize photography and premium hardware, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra stands out as a powerful and innovative flagship that competes with the best in the market.